Next up, the most dangerous game for Artisan. Check out maps.techno.co for an always updating interactive map with everything you need to know about Grey Zone Warfare and Arena Breakout Infinite, with missions mapped out in great detail. Now, control-click to make suggestions. Thank you to everyone who's used it thus far. In this, we need to locate intel about Hunter's Paradise's VIP program, and we will need a key, but before you go out looking for it, there is a location that this thing spawns in very reliably. All you need to do is make your way to Hunter's Paradise, and on this left side here, in this little outside area, we should find what we're looking for in there. So let's start with that. So pushing up from just over the hill here, we should find some light reinforcements on this side. So there we go. It's pretty much the extent. And there might be another bot over here. There's one to the left somewhere. There we go. Cleaning out those two. All we need to do is, in this area, head into this little house right here. And inside of here, to the left, you should find on top of the filing cabinet a Hunter's Paradise bunker key. This is what we need to grab, as we'll need it to progress this quest. I'll also put it in my back pocket for safekeeping. It'll spawn here, maybe on one of these other tables, chairs, or things alike. It's usually inside of this building, so just go looking around for it and you should find it. Now that we have this, we'll need to find our way just east. And inside of this building here, we should be able to pick up some paperwork. Let's do it. So pushing out here, through past the weapons storage, we should be entering the main area where there'll be quite a few more guards to take care of. And they do like pushing. They can also spawn in the shooting range down here. Not the best spot to be hiding, but they do. And of course, outside in the parking lot to our right as well. But there we go, clearing out most of what's here. Should only be one more left somewhere here. But regardless, making our way to this house here, on this far east side of the firing lanes, inside of one of these rooms, we should find the next part of this quest, intel, on one of these tables right here. So I'm on the far north side. Right on this table, we have the report. We'll hold interact on this, read it, and there we go. Now that we've completed this, we'll need to ascertain the true nature. Now we'll need to check our map, and from this section, one block up, one block left, 158, 159, at about the top here, top middle, we should find an old bunker. That's where we need to head next. So I'll just be heading out the back here. It should be relatively quiet, and we'll head pretty much straight there. So into the bush. Just keep in mind there may be a guard or two somewhere back here. They do sometimes like to wander out here. Following a rough path in this direction should eventually lead us all the way to this over here. Now, it seems like there was a guard sitting outside of this. Two, actually. It's fantastic. Now, apologies if it's a bit dark, but anyways, approaching this old bunker entrance here, this is where we'll need to use the key. So walk up, unlock, and open. Now, inside of here, you'll find some bodies, simply just moving from one to the next until we head right into this room. We should be able to report findings here. So there we go. Now that we've reported all of this that's going on, we can head back out and we're done here. There's not much else. A little bit of loose loot. That's it. So we'll get back and hand in our quest. All right, so now that we're back at base, we can hand in the quest. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.